you're thinking of working from home after giving birth, you might want to consider
Ang
this.
dami kong na-receive na comments na kagaya nito from mommies who wants to work from home after giving birth, and I truly understand you. I shared kasi a video of me went back to work 2 weeks after kong nanganak. While that may inspire some mothers, but I also want to be honest that every mother situation is different. Just because kinaya ko or kinaya ng iba, it doesn't mean that you need to follow the same timeline. We all recover differently. We all have different babies, different support system, and different needs at home. In my case, I was already 42 years old when I gave birth to Z. He's my fourth child. And yung mga sinundan ni Baby Z, mga dalaga na. And I was already working with that client for 3 years before pa ako nanganak. So, somehow I have already an experience when it comes to newborn stage, recovery, and adjusting after giving birth. Iba pa rin talaga if may previous experience ka compared doon sa mga first-time mommies na nangangapa pa lang, di ba? That is why if you're thinking of working from home after giving birth, you might want to consider this. First is your healing and recovery. Mommy, your body went through so much, so you need to rest. Don't pressure yourself. Another thing is your sleep and energy level. Newborn stage can be exhausting, especially with nighttime feeding. So, dun pa lang nakakapagod na. What if you decide na mag-exclusively breastfeeding kay baby? Kasi for me, mas convenient sa akin ang breastfeeding kaysa bottle feeding, especially if I'm working. Papadedein ko lang siya while I'm working. And then another is support system. Talk to your husband, partners, or family members about your plan. Kung sino ang magbabantay sa baby while you are working. And then another thing to consider is your type of work. Some work from home jobs have flexible schedule, but mostly don't. And also some can be very stressful and demanding. Another thing is your work setup sa bahay. Are you working with your baby beside you, or what if you will take calls? Paano yun? Working after giving birth naman is possible. But please don't get pressure of what you see online or even from me. And then take inspiration lang siguro, but don't compare timelines. So move lang whenever you are ready. To all mommies out there who wants to work after giving birth, mommy, you are already doing enough. So one step at a time lang.